Una good morning, all of una wey dey lis ten to me today. My name na Williams Glory and I bring una the Open Heavens on the Go for Pidgin. The Open Heavens devotional na daily message book wey the General Overseer of the Redeemed Christian Church of God, Pastor E.A Adeboye write. Today na Thursday, 25th of January 2024, and our topic for today na Wetin be God Tempol Part 2. Our memory verse dey for Matthew chapter 21 verse 14. Jesus heal people wey blind and those people wey no fit waka inside the temple yard. Our Bible reading dey for the same Matthew chapter 12 verse 9 to 13, and e talk say, then Jesus comot there come enter their synagogue. One man wey im hand don dry dey there. Some people wey dey find as they go take accuse Jesus come ask, e dey alright to eat for Sabbath day? Na so Jesus come answer, if any of una get sheep wey fall inside pit for Sabbath day, una no go carry am comot for that pit? Human being better pass sheep. So e dey right to do good for Sabbath day. Na so Jesus come tell the man, stretch your hand. So the man come stretch him hand, and the hand come strong like the other one. Now the message. Temple no be only prayer house, but na healing house too. For Matthew chapter 21 verse 14, after Jesus don pursue all those people wey don turn temple as marketplace when dem fit dey buy and sell things, he come talk say, my house na prayer house. Bible talk say sick people come meet am for the temple and all of them well after he don pray for them. For our Bible reading today, Jesus go synagogue. Na for there he come meet one man wey im hand don dry finish. He come get some kind people wey be say na dem go school pass, wey no believe say people suppose receive their healing for Sabbath day. When dem be ask Jesus whether he go heal the man wey im hand don dry, na so Jesus tell the man make he stretch him hand. The man hand come heal. Una know say the man bin no ask make Jesus heal am, but Jesus see him situation like that for temple, na so body move am. Na why he take heal the man. Some kind people don challenge me before. They talk say, una wey be say una dey talk say una get power to heal people, why una no go hospital make una heal everybody wey dey there? Why be say na those people dem dey come church for healing? True, God fit heal people anywhere, but he dey always like to heal people for temple. Plenty people wey be say as dem dey enter redemption city so, na there they receive their healing. Nobody pray for them. Na only because they don enter God temple with their two legs, na im make wey dem get their healing so. If person dey go Baba God temple every time, e be like when person dey go see doctor for hospital. Even when nothing do you and you go see am, he go first check you, and if you see some kind things wey no suppose dey your body, you go deal with them. E get some people wey be say dem dey waka with some kind ogbonge disease dem for their body, but they never know. If you go church and Baba God power come fall for your life, that ogbonge disease go disappear because you don come place wey be say healing dey. Na the reason wey be say I dey always dey surprised say some people go sit down for house talk say na for television they wan watch Sunday service. If where you dey stay far well to church, and God see say you wish say you wan come church, but because of your distance, na im go make you decide say you go watch am for TV. That one dey different. But when you decide for your mind say na for TV you wan watch Sunday service, wey be say you fit go church, you no go fit get the same atmosphere and blessing like those other people wey be say dem dey church live and direct. The main message for today na make una no miss any opportunity to take go church o. God fit decide say na for the day wey the next service go hold, na there the answer to all the prayers dem wey you don dey pray tey go answer. I thank una as una lis ten to the Open Heavens on the Go for Pidgin. My name na Williams Glory. Make una enjoy the rest of una day o. Till we go meet again tomorrow. Una bye bye.
Let us grace I receive.